You do not need to go to Trader Joe's for epic cauliflower gnocchi. Here's how to make it at home with only 4 ingredients. You'll start off by cutting a medium head of cauliflower into rough florets. This should be about 5 cups of florets or 16 ounces. We are going to grate this into rice using either a food processor, or you could also just use a box grater, and then microwave that until it's tender, about 5 to 6 minutes. And from there, you're going to squeeze out as much liquid as possible. We're effectively making flour out of cauliflower. Once that's cooled, stir in an egg, which is going to help to bind everything together, and then stir in all-purpose flour and salt. And if you want to save time in the evening, all of that can be made before dinner time. Just store that dough in the fridge, and then when you're ready to cook, just portion it into 4 pieces, roll each of those into long ropes, and then cut them into gnocchi shapes. And it's totally optional, but you can roll each of those over a fork to create that classic gnocchi ribbed shape. Alright, to cook the gnocchi, you're just going to drop them into boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, and then it's totally optional, but recommended that you saute them after boiling. Sauteing gets that outside really crispy and caramelized while keeping the inside pillowy soft. It is so good. Let me know if you try it out, and happy eating!